Hello everyone, today I'll be showing you how to solve the first layer of a Rubik's Cube. Okay, here we go. So, firstly, you want to bring this piece here. You want to make a yellow daisy like this. Okay, yellow daisy. Okay, see? I have the white daisy. And you can see that I don't have all of them. Just do that. Now, I want you to solve this bit here. And you want to go like this and bring it down. What?
I need you guys to listen to me now. It is bedtime.
Okay.
Okay? No one's going to get up in the morning. 7 and up.
Who's taking us?
I am. And I'm still working. Enough. Just enough. Keep not having me.
Okay.
That's taking you. But it doesn't matter, right? Still going to get to bed, please.
But we always are late.
There. That one's done. Okay. Now we gotta go there.
Nobody at night time has been helping me all lately.
There we go.
To get dressed. So
Okay, now you can see I have solved this one. I have solved the red and blue layer. Okay, now see this one? We'll learn the variety algorithm. Goes like this. Okay, and it locks in every single piece like this. Okay.